Triple A consultant. How can I get started in accounting without job experience, degree, self-employed, but no corporate experience? So AAA consultant, you don't got to have corporate experience. That's the lie that they tell you, right? Really, if you really want to get into accounting, what part of accounting? Because, again, accounting is kind of wide range, right? You got intermediate accounting, you got level 1, 2 accounting, staff accounting. Like, do you want to do bookkeeping? Do you want to do taxes? Do you see yourself being a CPA? Right? Like, where in accounting do you want to be? Because that can kind of let me tell you more. Like me, I don't like accounting anymore. I don't want to do nobody bookkeeping. I hire that out, right? I pass that out. I refer that out. But I love taxes, right? I love learning the taxes, the tax laws, going through, reading the taxes, reading the loopholes, seeing how I can save clients money. That's what I like, right? But I don't like bookkeeping. I don't like accounting. And I'm not a CPA. Don't ever plan on being one because I don't want to deal with auditing, right? So you got to think about that too. Where in accounting do you want to be? Ladarius, what up, man? You say you the hardest working woman I ever met. You know what, D? Honestly, I work better at night. Like, because I work late, 12, 1, 2 in the morning, I get up at like 8 o'clock, right? 9 o'clock. And so I just flow better at night. I learned that. Like, I just get in a flow at night. I'm not distracted by calls, people. I've been on Zoom meetings all day. People call in the office. You know what I'm saying? Being an entrepreneur, I just feel like I get so much more done at night. So, thank you. AAA say that's what I love about entrepreneurship, the freedom. Okay, so bookkeeping and small business taxes. Okay, so if you want to do bookkeeping, QuickBooks has a program. It may still be free. You got to check on that yourself, okay? But go to QuickBooks.com or go to QuickBooks Accountant. So QuickBooks had a program where they would teach you pretty much and get you certified and everything. It's like a QuickBooks certification program. Do that. Again, you do not need no degrees. You don't need to be working for no corporate America. You don't need that, right? You're going to do this on your own. When I learned taxes, I did not learn taxes from corporate America. I worked in banking, right? I worked as an accountant for a company, but I taught myself taxes, right? And so one of the things that you can also do if you want to get into business taxes is to go to the IRS website and go to business. On the top tab, there's a business publication. Start going through and reading those publications. Honestly, that's how I got into the tax industry. I was interested. I went to the IRS website because, again, the IRS is the ones who have the laws, the ones who do everything, right? If you ever want to fact check something, you go to IRS and you read the publication. So if you start reading the publications now for business, girl, you're going to be unstoppable. You're going to know more than some people that do taxes. And that's how I made myself an expert in the field, because a lot of people do taxes, but they don't read the real laws and they don't really know what's going on and what's the deductions and what credits. You get what I'm saying? So start there. Do the QuickBooks certification and then go on the irs.gov website and start browsing around and reading those publications. Some of those publications are 1,000 pages, but I promise you it's worth it for you to learn and understand the knowledge.